Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to activate the screen lock so that you are more secure on your POCO X4 GT. At this moment I don't have some special security features on my POCO X4 GT, so when I just turn it off and turn it on again and the thief finds my mobile phone, then he can just swipe up and then all my data is exposed. So this is not very good. So we want to secure this a little bit more, and for that we go to the settings, and when we are in our settings we can go to the passwords and security feature here. And here you can see screen lock is off, and we want to turn it on. And we want to set our screen lock, and we have three different options. The first one is pattern. Draw a simple pattern with your finger to unlock a device. The second one is a PIN. Enter 4 to 16 numbers to unlock the device. And the third one is a password. Enter 4 or more letters or numbers to unlock the device. So let's start with the pattern. The pattern is a little bit drawing. Remember your password. You shouldn't you shouldn't forget your password, but because otherwise you cannot go into your smartphone anymore. So got it, and then we want to draw a pattern. So I'm drawing here a little snake. After I have done it, I'm drawing it again. I can confirm it, and then he will ask me to add a fingerprint, but we will do this in another video. So I'll just say cancel, and then I'm ready to go. So if I turn it on again, he will ask me to draw this pattern, and if I draw the wrong one, then I cannot go into my device. So I'm drawing the pattern, and now I'm in it again. So great. And now we want to try the second one, the PIN. So again, remember your password, remember your lock screen password. Yes, got it. And then enter 4 to 16 digits. Okay, so let's try with 4 times 0. Continue, 4 times 0. Okay, and then again, turn it off, turn it on again, and then 1 1 1 1. No, wrong one. Okay, so 4 times 0, and now I'm ready to go. So this is the second option. The third option is the password. Okay, again, remember your password. This option is the most secure one. Why? Because you can choose here from the alphabet, you can choose numbers, you can choose special characters, and so on, so on, and so forth. But it's also the most complicated one. So just try to remember, if you turn on your phone, you always have to type in this password. So you can choose this one, but it's the less convenient model. I would recommend you to use the PIN, because if you use the pattern and you use it all the time, all day long, and then you will see it here on your screen where you are putting your fingers on. So I would recommend to you that you would choose a PIN, a 4 digits one or a 6 digits one, and then you're ready to go. Yes, this was how to change the screen lock on your POCO X4 GT. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.